Good morning, everyone. This is Anne Marie. Today's Thursday, the 27th of December, and this is a look at SPY. I've got two VWAPs on here, the weekly and the monthly VWAP. If we take a look at both of them, we can see that we're clearly beneath them. I like looking at the monthly VWAP because it seems to be a bit stronger in terms of telling me the things that are going on in terms of decisioning, right? What is it that I need to do? With the weekly VWAP, don't really have that ability to do that as well. So here we are coming up over the top and then completely gapping right back down, which is very odd, right? Long candlestick up here, and then the next open is here. It's very gappy action. Let's take a look a bit more closely to see what happened with that price point. And then we'll take a look at baseline events, what we need to do. 141.35 overnight low, 141.10 or let's see what that number is. Yes, somewhere around here, 141.10, 141.15. I think that's going to be baseline event. The 50% fib going to be a problem, but let's see what happened here. This is where the gap is. We were up. Oh yes. Then we had a gap that's moved down significantly. All right. Okie dokie. So here we are sitting underneath this level of congestion, which I think I'm going to move to that. It's a great how motive wave lets us just slide these lines up and down. Yeah, so 142 is going to be a bit of a line in the sand. It is also where the weekly VWAP is, so that's going to make a difference. So we ought to come up, perhaps test that region. If we start getting weak and we're not able to stay above 141.66. We are right now. We're at 141.77, which is a little bit of a gap up from where we closed the day yesterday. If we can't manage to do that, we are going to see more downside momentum. And that downside momentum has the ability to pull us all the way into this region right down here at the 140.50. So those are going to be the levels to watch, all right? We're going to try and get ourselves back up for a test of 142 based on the move from 141.77 at which we sit. And once we get to that level, well, you know what? We might have trouble at 141.84, actually, as I look at it here. 141, yes. We could have trouble at 141.84. If we hold 141.84, then that test of 142.05 to 142.09 is possible. If we lose the 141.84 area, if we reject it after testing it, we will look towards 141.49. What's sitting in the way? The daily 50 simple moving average. But overall, we have begun quite a step down. So we anticipate lower levels unless this 50% fib actually manages to give us some room. Now, these are days a lot of folks like trading on these low volume days. I'm not a big fan of them because I play larger caps, and there's a tendency to be a lot of sideways jockeying and whippy action that really doesn't allow us to take trending events. Now, if you're a scalper, you like to move for little quick moves from point A to point B, these types of areas are good for us to trade. It really depends on your trading style. For me, I try to stay very lightly involved on holiday weeks. Once in a while, we catch a nice small cap that's doing something big, and we can run with that, but overall, it's very, very whippy. Don't expect trends to hold for you, meaning prices will move up and then quickly reverse. So be cautious about that. Good luck trading.